Scrubby's Car Wash is open 9 hours each day, Monday through Saturday. If they wash 22 cars each hour of a day, how many cars will Scrubby's Car Wash complete in 6 days? Now, we want to know how much Scrubby's Car Wash can complete in 6 days. Let's see. Monday through Saturday is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That is 6 days. And they can wash 22 cars for each hour of the day, and they're open 9 hours each day. So let's think. That means for one day, they have 9 hours. They have 9 groups that they wash cars. And they can wash 22 cars in 1 hour. And this is how much we can get done in 1 day. Do I have a total yet? Am I trying to combine numbers, or am I trying to separate numbers? I'm trying to combine. I want to find out how much is for a total day. So this is either addition or multiplication. Do I have equal groups? I do. I have equal groups of hours. Every hour I wash the same number of cars. So this is a multiplication problem. So, what is 22 times 9? $18 is 2 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18 again, which gives me an extra 19 from the 1. Is this my answer? It is not. I am still trying to find out for the entire week. This was 1 day. So, if this is how much I can do in 1 day, how many of these will I have? I will have 6. 1 for each day of the week. For 6 days that I'm washing. For how many cars do I wash for a week? What operation should I be doing? This is multiplication again. I do not have my total, and I have equal groups. Now, even just looking, which can be our answer? It's A. This is the only answer choice that is larger than 198. But let us confirm. Maybe there's a typo.
$8 times 6 equals 48. 9 times 6 equals 54. 54 plus 4 equals 58. 1 times 6 equals 6, plus 5 equals 11. Scrubby's Car Wash can wash 1,188 cars for a week.